I asked ChatGPT what the 10 most important tools that a DevOps engineer should know, and its answer was actually surprisingly accurate. In this video, I'm going to go over what I think it got right and what I think it got horribly wrong. Now, if you're not familiar with what ChatGPT is, it's an artificial intelligence language model chatbot that gives you intelligent and insightful answers to questions that you give it. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I can say that about 90% of the information it gives you is completely accurate, while the other 10% falls short. So let's have a look at the list that I came up with and the list that ChatGPT came up with. You can see that there's actually only two differences in the tools we chose in our list. Even more surprisingly, the order of the lists were mostly the same as well. So for my list, I came up with Git, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, GitHub Actions, Jenkins, Argo CD, Prometheus, Grafana, and Ansible. ChatGPT gave basically the same answer, but it left out GitHub Actions and Argo CD and instead said Splunk and for some reason Nagios. Now, the likely reason behind this is because ChatGPT was trained on a dataset from 2021, so it isn't aware of the explosive growth that Argo CD and GitHub Actions have seen in the past year. Argo CD has recently graduated as a Cloud-Native Computing Foundation project. Graduation as a CNCF project means Argo met the highest standards for security, user adoption, and governance. I think 2023 is going to be a huge year for the GitOps movement, and companies are going to be snatching up engineers that have experience with Argo. GitHub Actions is also being implemented and used by a lot of organizations as it gives frictionless access to CI/CD for developers. As you know, most code is hosted on GitHub, so implementing a GitHub action is as simple as dropping a YAML file in the workflow directory or clicking on the Actions tab in the GUI. So that's my list for the top 10 tools that a DevOps engineer should know. Let me know in the comments below if you have a tool that I haven't listed here that you think should be in this list. And if you want to learn about these tools, go ahead and check the description below. I've added links to videos I have on these tools. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.